Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to check old stories like 4 or 5 years ago story on your Facebook profile. For these settings, you have to open Play Store on your device. Then you have to search Facebook and here you can see Facebook. Then update it. Wait for update. After updating, you can see here open icon, click to open. Then you have to go to your profile. Go to your profile and here you can see three-dot icon, click to three-dot icon. Then here you can see archive icon, click to archive. And you can see here story archive. After clicking to story archive, here you can see your all story which you uploaded. I uploaded this story on 12 January. If you uploaded any story on 2020 anytime, then you can see here in your archive, story archive. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.